To install this app, Cleaner Guru cleaning app. So just delete photos, contacts, big video files. It's an ultimate cleaning tool that can easily recognize similar photos, merge duplicate contacts, find large video file and wanted screenshots, and clean your iPhone storage in just one tap. There are different sets of productivity widgets to track your battery, storage, and memory, as well as modern widget made for personalization of your home screen. Tried our smart cleaning function to remove all unwanted files at once. Cleaner Guru features pictures cleanup, video compression, contacts cleanup, large and unwanted files cleanup, modern sets of widgets for productivity, battery charging animation, secret folder feature. So yeah, that's basically the app. You can just tap and get to install it. Here I'm obviously doing a review on iPhone, on iOS. And so that's where you can just clean up your phone and iCloud, smart cleaning in one tap, organize photos, videos, and contacts, compress large videos and files, merge duplicate contacts, add some widgets for productivity, and also you can style your home screen and all of these things. So yeah, it's kind of just a nice, easy to use app which you can try out. Let's just open it up to know what you can expect, and then you can just analyze, compress, and then just unfortunately there is a free trial. So there is 7 free trials and $6.99 per week, or lifetime, which is also a great option. Actually, lifetime is $50. Lifetime subscriptions is not a yearly subscription, and if you like this app, it can be a good deal actually. So then then you can just get access to your photos and contacts, and then that's basically the idea how you can try this app. So yeah, that's basically how you can clean photos or videos and then just proceed with this app.